Hi, in this tutorial we will show you how to qualify users for a job. By qualifying your users, you can ensure that only they are able to clock into a specific job, or while scheduling your employees, make sure that the qualified users are the ones that are suggested first for the related jobs, or when creating open shifts, are the only ones that are able to claim those shifts. Let's go over how to qualify users within the time clock. To begin, click on the time clock on the left sidebar menu. Then access the relevant time clock. Click on Settings on the top right of the screen and head to the Job section on the left. For each job, when clicking on Settings, you'll be able to select either what users or groups are qualified for the job. For instance, I've qualified the sales group for the sales job, meaning that the sales team are the only ones who will be able to clock into the sales job. Now, let's move over to the job schedule. To begin, go to your jobs and make sure that your qualifications are correct. If your time clock and schedule are synced, this is done automatically. If they are not synced, you can also head to the schedule and do the same actions by repeating the process. After you have qualified your users, when creating a shift, they will now be suggested first, so that you're always choosing the most relevant employees for the job. If you are utilizing the open shift capability, which allows users to claim specific shifts, qualified users become extra important, as they are the only ones that will be notified and be able to claim those shifts. Thank you for watching.